today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and POSHMARK, and I just recently started selling on DEPOP as well as sending items into THREDUP. And today I have a Goodwill haul for you guys. I love Goodwill. I go there probably at least once a week, sometimes more, but I usually get there around once a week. I have one right in my town. I don't live in a very big town, but I do tend to find some really cool stuff at mine. So I got 3 big bags of clothes. I spent about $100. I think I got like $104. And I thought I would show you guys everything I got. I'll tell you if I'm going to be selling it on eBay, POSHMARK, DEPOP, or sending it to THREDUP. So I am trying to put together 1 or 2 more boxes for THREDUP. They've recently it's come out that they're changing some things on their site with payouts and what people can price things for. And so I'm trying to get as much inventory into them as I can before they make those changes. Those changes go into effect. So they say they're going to give sellers at least a month heads up. So I've been checking my email every day. Haven't heard anything yet, but I'm planning on sending at least 1 or 2 more boxes probably before hopefully the month is up. But I do have some things already in a box, but I did go shopping. I found a few things that I'd like to send in. So I thought I would show you guys everything. This isn't going to be a long video. I'm going to be pretty quick going through everything and just show you all of the awesome things that I got. But I will try to kind of tell you if I'm going to send it to THREDUP or if I'm going to list it myself. So, okay, the first item is really, really cool. I'm probably going to crop it, but we'll see. It is a vintage long sleeve wolf print shirt. It is just like a long sleeve t-shirt, and it's just really beautiful. I love the colors, and I think it will look really cool if it's cropped. It is, I think the year's on it. They usually put the year. It says 1996. Yeah, Peter Carl Lindier maybe. So I'm gonna see if that is like a desirable. It's just by National Wildlife Federation, but I'll see if it's like desirable in any way. This I think I'm going to keep for myself because I think it's cute. It's by Simply Southern, which I think I've found things from them before. No, wait, maybe I saw this online, and it's Be Kind, Simply Southern. I just think it's cute. It's like kind of like a cropped long sleeve shirt, and I think it's adorable. I'll probably just keep that for myself, but okay, this is really interesting. It was $3.50, so maybe a mistake. This will definitely be going on like Depop, POSHMARK, and eBay. I sell a lot of vintage, so it's just this really interesting. You can kind of hear it. It makes noise. It's got shoulder pads, so definitely probably 90s. Victoria Jones, don't know the brand. Vintage, I don't really care about the brand. I usually just pick it up if I think it's cool. This is really unique, so I think it will sell. It's kind of weird, but I think it will sell eventually. I'm going to send this into THREDUP, I think. It's an Ann Taylor, which I've heard does pretty well. And it's this, it's like a floral textured pattern blazer. This was $4.50, so it's kind of expensive, but I would honestly be happy with just making $20 on it. So I'm going to send that into THREDUP. This is also vintage, probably the 90s. It is like a velour button-up, like, jacket, like workout jacket kind of, but it's got these cool patterns, geometric patterns and circles. It was $6, but I just think it's really cool, and I think it will probably sell. Probably should be able to make at least 20, maybe more on it. When I say 20, I'm hoping to actually profit 20. So here's another vintage item I will be reselling myself. This is just Sag Harbor, which I think used to be maybe Kmart or Walmart, but look at the skirt. It is so interesting. No pockets, I can tell, but it does have the original tag. It was $3.50, and it's like kind of like a midi. Well, maybe it would go to your ankle, but it's just so eccentric that I picked that up. Okay, I don't look at the men's stuff that often, but I took a glance through like the men's t-shirts and sweatshirts and stuff, and I came across this. Now, if you're not familiar with this brand, this is a brand that was very popular, I think in the 90s, maybe 2000s. I particularly know about it because my husband actually had a few pieces in some old bins and that I was able to sell for a really good profit. Well, I should say, I don't know what he paid for them, but I could sell them for quite a bit. So when I saw this This is a vintage Jeanco, Jenco jeans, and this is pretty desirable. It says Jeanco, it's really hard to read, and it's got dice. They're known for dice. And it is like a zip-up fleece. It's a men's. This was a men's brand as far as I know. It says it's a size large, and I saw the back is this, it's like a patch, kind of. This is either, I think it's like, not real leather, but it's like, kind of has like a texture to it, and that's the back. Got the bowling. So this, I think I could probably sell for $40, maybe more. I'll mark it up a little higher than $40 probably, but I would probably take a $40 offer. I paid $6 for it, so my Goodwill is pretty expensive, but I think I'm going to make good profit on that, honestly. This I might send into ThreDUP if I can check and see what the comps are for Logo by Lori Goldstein. I really don't do real well with her anymore on eBay or Poshmark or anything. By the way, that Jeanco sweater will definitely be going on eBay, Poshmark, and Depop. So, but I'm going to check and see. If not, I'll sell it myself, but I did pay $2.50. My Goodwill has color tag of the week. That's 50% off, and it was pink, so it was 50% off the price tag. I got this purely on, well, it's by Union Bay, but it's definitely vintage, and I got it because I thought it was cool. Like, it's this neat pattern. This is Union Bay up here. I think Union Bay was just like, so it's Sears or JCPenney's maybe. This is a vintage one, and it's made in the USA. It says it's an extra large, so this is definitely a kid's. I might just keep this because I think it's so cool, and I really like that. Okay. All right, this I found, and I wasn't sure if I should get it or not. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I picked it up. It was $6. It is Lord & Taylor vintage. Just a blazer. It's kind of got a little bit of red. I just picked it up because I thought it was cool. Picked this up because I'm a sucker for vintage t-shirts or sweatshirts. This is Hanna-Barbera collection, and this is Yogi Bear. It's really nice. I don't think I saw any stains on it. It's this cute pattern, and I would say it says it's a large, maybe a kid's large, but I'll probably put like small or extra small. I think I would be able to fit in it. So I got this. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I'm pretty sure I'm going to tie-dye this in some way, but it says Hawaii. It's embroidered. It's just a white sweatshirt, and I just think it's so cute. You see that? It's vintage, Fruit of the Loom. I'll probably see if I can, because there's some stains and stuff on it, so I'll probably see if I can tie-dye that. I got this because I didn't really know if it was worth anything. It's Red Jacket. It's called Red Jacket, and it's got the Blackhawks. Blackhawk Indian, I guess. Now with them changing names of different teams and stuff, the older stuff is pretty popular to buy because it's not going to be made anymore. So this is a vintage, I think it's vintage at least, Fila sweatshirt, and it's just cool. I like it. It's cute. Maybe I'll wear it. It looks like there might be a stain right here. Oh man, you guys, there's stains everywhere. Ah, no! I was excited about this. I paid like $6 for this. Still stained. Oh, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Right? Can you tell? Probably more. Oh yeah, you can tell. They're all over. Well, that might just be mine for the house. Or I'll take it back. But I only have 7 days because Goodwill only takes stuff back for 7 days. This is Soft Surroundings. I might send this in. It was $5, but I can probably make some profit on ThreDUP, so I might send this in. It's just really pretty, lightweight. It's a size large, so it's a good size. This is Victoria's Secret. It was $3. I've sold something similar to this, so that's why I picked it up. I probably can sell it for around 20-ish. It's an extra small. It's like a mesh. Oh. Okay, what I hate is when these, I think I'm going to be able to fix it, but this is like almost completely coming out. So I'm going to have to fix that, but I think I can fix it. I think it'll be easy enough to fix. But people like that kind of stuff for like working out. This was half off, and I actually saw it last time. I don't think it's just Croft and Barrow. But it's just a really nice, one of those bags that are really popular, like the Sack makes this style. And I might be keeping that for myself. I like that. I got this because it's cute, probably for myself. It's just like a little London, little coin purse. I've never been to London, but it's really pretty and beaded. So, looks like you can put this on your wrist maybe. I just thought it was so cute. I'm a sucker for beaded stuff. This was also 50% off. This is from the Sack. It was $3. It's really small. But this reminds me of like Y2K, 90s. So I might style it like, you know, model it. I love vintage bags. I've loved purses my whole life, and I love vintage bags. This one is cute. It's really small. The back has space. It's no name brand, but I sell vintage stuff a lot that has no brand. Some items sell for more than others, but this was $3, and it's just like, needs to be cleaned up just a little bit, but it's just this cute crossbody. I don't know, I like it. I don't even know if it would be really great for crossbody. This I got because it is definitely what I think it's like Y2K DKNY. I do think it's real. Because it's got like markings inside. It says like DKNY. Like, and I don't think DKNY is like super expensive anyway. But it is just this bag. I know, guys, this is not like wow, but this is what people want right now. This material. This is what was really popular when I was a kid in the 2000s. I was a teenager in the 90s. This was what was in this style. This very simple bag on your shoulder. It was just super popular. So I paid $5 for it, but I think I can sell it for $25 probably. So I picked that up. Almost done. This, I realize now that I don't hardly have anything to send into ThreDUP from this haul. Okay, this is Hannah Anderson. This I think I'm going to send it into ThreDUP. It was $3, and it's like a blazer jacket, but almost like a t-shirt cottony material. And it's got a button in the front. You can see. And it's simple, but I think that they'll accept this probably, and I think it will sell. I only paid $3 for it. I'm going to take a chance. I'm trying to fill up a couple boxes, so. This I got. This is vintage, so I'll be selling this. It was $2.50, and it is this like see-through. It's beaded. This kind of stuff is popular because this was what was popular when I was a kid, and in the 2000s. So if it's something that I would have liked when I was like, you know, 15, then I definitely think that people are going to be interested right now, because people are just loving that style. They're loving like the Y2K. I put that in my titles and my description because a lot of people are looking for like the 2000s, late 90s, 2000s type stuff. So that's everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please, we got hair everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am still a really small channel, and I am slowly but surely creeping my way up to like 300 subscribers. So if you aren't subscribed, I would love for you guys to subscribe. If you have a YouTube channel, I would love to hear about it. I love making friends in the reseller community, and so I would absolutely love to hear if you have a channel. I want to support other resellers and other YouTubers who are making content and trying to teach people things. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, because that does help me with the eBay algorithm. Let me know if you guys have been selling on ThreDUP, and how you're doing on your other platforms as well. I'm new to ThreDUP, but hopefully in the coming months I will start doing good on there, and Hopefully not too much will change in that amount of time. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!